How to make easy Mexican food. Mexican cuisine is famous for its wide range of flavors, colors, and textures. Enchiladas. What makes these dishes unique? Mexicans have adapted both traditional and European foods to create their own unique Mexican dishes. Tortillas are made primarily from corn. Corn tortillas are called masa, but can also be made with wheat flour. In this video, I'm going to introduce a dish and ingredients that make up modern Mexican cooking. This recipe is perfect for making with friends and family. Now, I will show you how to prepare one of my favorite Mexican dishes. Making enchiladas is not an easy task, but, in this video I will show you how to make a delicious Mexican dish in less than 20 minutes. This homemade family favorite recipe is perfect for quick weeknight meals. To avoid soggy enchiladas, the most important piece of advice is to briefly fry the tortillas in hot oil before filling and rolling. This creates a thin barrier that stops the tortillas from soaking up too much sauce and becoming mushy. Follow the steps, and let's have a look at the ingredients needed. 4 tablespoons of oil, 1 onion, 5 cloves of garlic, 1 jalapeno pepper. Although there are many variations on the dish, enchiladas often include a mix of meats, veggies, beans, cheese, salsa, tortillas, and sauce. Sour cream, rice, guacamole, and coriander are a few more components that are typically included in the mixture. I usually use corn tortillas from the grocery store, but you may also use flour tortillas if you like. Here is a recipe for homemade corn tortillas and simple flour tortillas if you wish to create your own. I highly advise preparing your own enchilada sauce. Here is a simple recipe for enchilada sauce made with chili powder, tomato paste, and stock if you're searching for a quick Tex-Mex version. And here is my family's traditional enchilada sauce, which is made with Mexican chocolate and whole dried chilies. Set the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Cooked, shredded chicken and 1/4 cup enchilada sauce should be combined in a big basin. To taste, add salt and pepper to the food. The tortillas should be warmed and malleable after 1 minute of microwave heating, rotating them halfway through. Fill each tortilla evenly with the chicken mixture of shredded chicken and a good pinch of shredded cheese to assemble the enchiladas. Thank you for watching.